미친 새끼.
미친 새끼.
어머 미친년 개새끼야 또라이야
변태 맞네 변태.
개새끼야! 닥쳐! 이 새끼야! 씨발년아!
Do you know the meaning of these words? Yeah, they are Korean curse words. Today, I want to teach you how to curse like a Korean.
닥쳐!
But before we begin, I'm sorry for teaching bad words. Honestly, if you want to learn Korean, you need to know these words. Let's go! 개자식 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 means son of a dog, with 개 meaning dog and 자식 meaning child. 개새끼 개새끼 translates roughly to dog bastard or dog son of a bitch. It's stronger and more derogatory than 개자식. 씨발 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 means fuck or shit. It's a very common curse word. 씨발 새끼 씨발 새끼 actually means fucking son of a bitch. Combines 씨발 and 새끼 for a stronger insult. 미친놈 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 means crazy guy or crazy bastard. 미친년 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 means crazy woman or crazy bitch. 변태 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 means pervert. 젠장 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 means damn it or shit. 병신 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 means retard or dumbass. This comes from the word 병. 병 meaning disease, and basically means someone is stupid or mentally disabled. 또라이 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 means crazy or also like you jerk. Refers to people with mental illness, although it is as insulting as 병신 is. 엿먹어 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 means fuck you or go fuck yourself. Actually, 엿 is a Korean traditional candy. So, actually, 엿먹어 means it candy. But in a slang, it means fuck you. 지랄 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 means bullshit. This traditionally means epilepsy, stroke, or seizure. It is often used to call out someone's bullshit, such as when you realize someone is lying to you. So you can say 지랄하지 마라. 지랄하지 마라 means stop talking bullshit. 닥쳐 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 means shut up or shut it. You will hear it pretty often. 바보 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 means stupid or fool.